You know how I love a decluttering and updating project, and we are starting with this pantry. Look at the doors. It is stuck in the 2000s. Beautiful, highly functional doors. So, along with my ethos of repair and not replace, even though we're replacing these ones, they will be going to another home that gets to use them because they're highly functional. But for this house, they need to go. We're going to bring this house up into the 2018s, even 2019s, and make sure that this pantry, once we make over the inside, is well represented on the outside too. Now the external makeover is done, and there's some finer details that I want to share with you. So these are some beautiful internal Hume doors. I've had them painted though in an enamel, a semi-gloss enamel, because these pantry doors in this family home, wow, they're going to see some wear and tear. And I've also made sure that I put on some really good quality hardware. These ones are from the lock shop, and they're a dummy lever, so they don't actually twist. But as I mentioned, these doors, they're going to be opened and closed dozens of times a day. So I needed to make sure whatever I put on the doors, including the hardware and the paint, was going to stand the test of time, as well as easy to clean off when there's tomato sauce and greasy hands accessing the pantry while we're cooking. But guess what? I think it's time for an internal makeover now. Thanks for tuning in. Now, if you loved what you saw in this video, I've popped the link to one of my latest posts below where I go into more detail for you. Enjoy.